Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, but was all pretend. Yeah, yeah, since you've been gone. You dedicated, you took the time. Was alone till I called you mine. Yeah, yeah, since you've been gone. And all you'd ever hear me say is how picture me with you. That's all you'd ever hear me say. But since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on, yeah, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone, you had your chance, you blew it. Out of sight, out of mind. Shut your mouth, I just can't take it. Again and again and again and again. Since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on, yeah, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
So, Celicia, you always bring a lot of performance value. There's definitely a knowing and an understanding of what you're singing about. I could feel your interpretation of the song. I don't really like that song for you. I don't think it was the best choice for you, but I could feel you trying to sell it. Have I seen better from you? Yes. Will we see better from you? Yes.
Anthony.
You can sing, but that song really was not the right song, you know. It was a really poor choice. It just ran away and left you. You kind of looked a little ridiculous tonight, I thought.
Conroy.
Yeah, your interpretation of the song did not match what the song was really saying. Although you were interpreting and although you sounded good, because vocally you can sing, we know that. So there was a disconnect between you and the song and what you were trying to emote.